So these two on top are
howler monkey.
monkeys.
What about
And these two on the bottom are sloths. And the howler monkeys are extremely loud and fast. And did you see how he's walking on a branch? And do you see how they're sitting on a branch too? They love to swing from branches, to walk on branches, up in the rainforest canopy.
They love
through all the
bananas.
leaves. And I bet they are a kind of monkey that loves bananas. The sloths though, what have you heard about sloths?
Oh, I heard about sloths. Sloths are really slow.
They're really slow. So everybody, let's just pretend right now that our arms are sloth arms and we have to climb. Right, and we have to climb a branch. How would it look if you were like being really, really, really slow? And using your hands. Oh my gosh, it would be so slow. Okay, let your hands freeze. Now climb the branch the rest of the way as a howler monkey. Really, really, really fast. No, so they're gonna be super opposite. Fast and slow. So we're going to divide the jungle. And this tree is going to be neutral ground. So this music is for, you'll guess which animal, based on if it's fast or if it's slow. So listen to it. Do you hear it? It's slow. It's for the sloth. So we're going to see if the sloth can move upside down on this side of the room. When the music's on. When the music's on, he'll find a sleeping place on the rug. So here go the sloths, slowly on this side. And let's see if we can find ways to be upside down. Moving super slow. Extremely slow. I see some people imagine they're upside down hanging from branches. Some people are upside down on their hands and feet. Or even the lips. If you want to do that, keep going super slow. Can you pretend you're a monkey hanging from branches, swinging between them? That is the slow side. See if your sloth can figure out a way to walk across a small branch even slow.